how to add your bank account to Cash App without debit card, or how you can link your bank account to Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you the way as to how you can add a bank account to your Cash App without a debit card. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, usually if you want to link your bank account to your Cash App, then you would simply need to enter your debit card number. But if you do not have that, then just open up the Cash App and tap on the dollar icon from the bottom left corner. Once you tap on the banking dollar icon, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, and in order to be able to add a bank account, tap on the option that says link bank in the plus icon from the bottom. As you do so, as you can see, it says add a bank using a debit card number, so you can just go ahead and enter your debit card number and hit the next button. But if you don't have a debit card but you still have your bank account, then you can tap on the option that says no card, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the no card option, you'll see this kind of interface that says to link your bank with your online username and password of your mobile banking app. So you can just go ahead and enter your mobile banking's email and password in order to log into your bank account and hopefully link them to Cash App. That's all it takes to add a bank account to Cash App without a debit card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.